Mutton pepper, a recipe made with true passion and a timeless delight for every mutton lover. Join me as we explore the preparation of mutton pepper. We'll start by preparing the masala first. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and few curry leaves. Now roast them gently on a low flame. Add 2 bay leaves, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 star anise and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Grind all the roasted spices into a fine smooth powder. Now take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add finely chopped garlic and ginger. Roast the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Fry the chopped onion until it turns golden brown and develops a rich aroma. Add a few fresh curry leaves and some cubed chopped capsicum to the pan. Fry the curry leaves and capsicum until they soften slightly and release their aroma. Add one finely chopped tomato to the pan. Fry the tomato until it softens and blends smoothly with the spices. Add 2 small chopped green chilies and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry them briefly to release their flavors. The mutton has already been pressure cooked for 4 whistles with just salt. Now to enrich the flavors of the masala, add 2 tablespoons of the reserved mutton stock into the pan and fry briefly, allowing the spices and vegetables to absorb the meaty essence. At this stage, add the cooked mutton pieces into the pan. Fry gently, stirring well so the meat combines with the onion, tomato, capsicum, curry leaves, green chilies, and turmeric. This allows the flavors to infuse into the meat, giving the dish its rich and aromatic base. Now close the pan and cook for about 2 minutes. Now add around 2 teaspoons of the freshly ground pepper masala into the pan and mix well, letting the spice blend with the mutton and enrich the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of the mutton stock to adjust the consistency, stirring gently so the gravy reaches the desired texture. At this stage, you can add salt according to taste, adjusting the seasoning to balance the flavors of the pepper masala and mutton stock. Finally, add a handful of fresh coriander leaves, squeeze a few drops of lemon, and give it gentle stir. This adds a burst of freshness and brightness, perfectly completing the mutton pepper dish. Wow, look at the color. Rich, vibrant, and beautifully coated with the pepper masala. Mutton pepper is now ready to be served. A dish that combines the bold heat of freshly ground pepper with the tenderness of slow cooked mutton, finished with coriander and lemon for a touch of freshness. Subscribe to stay connected and Discover more mouth-watering recipes that celebrate taste and tradition.